In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Twilio with HubSpot. This integration allows you to streamline your communication process by sending and receiving SMS directly from your HubSpot account. To start, open your browser and perform a quick search for HubSpot CRM. This will guide you to HubSpot's official site, which provides the tools we need for this integration. Once the search results load, look for the option that mentions HubSpot CRM software and click on it. This takes you to the HubSpot CRM page, an essential tool for businesses looking to manage customer relationships effectively. Here, you'll want to select the Get Started Free button. HubSpot offers a free tier, which is ideal if you are trying out this integration for the first time. Next, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account, or if you don't have one, you can create a new one. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials to log in. Once logged in, you'll see a button labeled Continue with this user. Click it to proceed with this user profile within the HubSpot environment. After you've logged in, you'll be prompted to select an existing account within HubSpot, or if you're a first-timer, you might have to create a new one. Click on Continue with this account once you have made your selection. Now that you're set up in HubSpot, it's time to head to the HubSpot Marketplace. Locate and click on the Marketplace option within your HubSpot dashboard. This is where you'll find integrations with various third-party applications. In the Marketplace, the next step is to search for Twilio. Twilio is a widely used communications platform that supports messaging, voice, and video via its web service APIs. Once you find Twilio segment in the search results, click on it. The details page for Twilio in the Marketplace will appear. Here, you want to click on the Install button to initiate the integration. If you are not logged into Twilio yet, you may be asked to sign in or enter your existing Twilio account information. Go ahead and do that. You can either sign up for a new Twilio account or log in using your existing credentials. Now, head back to HubSpot, and within the settings, you'll access the Connected Apps section. Here, look specifically for Twilio. You'll need to enter your Twilio account SID and auth token. These can be found in your Twilio dashboard. Once entered, make sure to choose a default Twilio phone number from which you will send SMS messages. This concludes the process of integrating Twilio with HubSpot. Now you can enjoy enhanced communication capabilities, sending and receiving SMS messages directly within the HubSpot ecosystem.